Hey creators, Google just unleashed Veo 3, its jaw-dropping AI video generator, to all Gemini AI Pro subscribers worldwide. Ready to make pro-level videos with audio? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into this game-changing rollout. On July 2nd, 2025, Google's Josh Woodward announced that Veo 3 is now live for Gemini AI Pro subscribers in 159 countries, including all of Europe. For just $19.99 a month, you can create 3 stunning videos daily with audio. Think dialogue, nature sounds, and more. Want to see what Veo 3 can do? Keep watching. Unveiled at Google I/O 2025, Veo 3 is a massive upgrade over Veo 2. It delivers smoother motion, better character consistency, and sharper visuals, plus native audio generation for dialogue or ambient sounds. Whether you're crafting cinematic shorts or quirky clips, Veo 3 makes it look pro, and with fewer blocks on content, your creativity's unleashed. Gemini AI Pro subscribers at $19.99 per month, you get 3 Veo 3 fast videos daily via the Gemini app. Hit your limit, you'll switch to Veo 2. Initially exclusive to AI Ultra's $249.99 tier, Veo 3 is now accessible to more creators, making high-quality video generation affordable. Ready to start creating? Veo 3's global rollout to 159 countries democratizes AI video creation, letting anyone make professional-grade content with ease. From better visuals to built-in audio, it's a leap forward for YouTubers, marketers, or hobbyists. Is this the future of video production? Google's betting big, and so are we. Gemini AI Pro subscribers can jump into Veo 3 today on the Gemini app, craft videos with stunning visuals and sound, and share your creations. What's the first video you're making with Veo 3? Drop it below. That's the scoop on Google's Veo 3 rollout for Gemini AI Pro. Are you hyped to create AI videos with audio, or loving the $19.99 price tag? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.